So, you tried to log into Claude and saw that dreaded message saying your account has been disabled after an automatic review. Let's not sugarcoat it. Your account has been banned. It's a massive headache, especially if you rely on it for work. But I'm going to show you exactly how to handle the appeal process and what your realistic options are from here. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share a specific workaround that lets you keep using Claude's power, even if Anthropic decides to keep your main account locked forever. First, let's talk about why this happened, because Anthropic has seriously tightened their controls lately. Usually, it comes down to a few things: using a VPN, trying to access the service from a country they don't support yet, or having multiple accounts. Sometimes, their automated systems just get it wrong and flag legitimate behavior as a bot. Even if you're a paying subscriber, you aren't safe from these sweeps. It feels personal, but it's usually just a rigid algorithm doing the dirty work. Now, here's the step-by-step on how to fight this. You need to head over to the Anthropic support page and look for the specific appeal form for trust and safety. If that feels like a maze, the most direct route is to send an email to support@anthropic.com or usersafety@anthropic.com. When you write this email, you need to be brief and completely honest. Tell them exactly how you were using the tool and why the ban is a mistake. Make sure to include the email address you used to sign up and attach a screenshot of the ban message so they know exactly what error you're seeing. Once that email is sent, you have to play the waiting game, and this is the part where most people lose hope. It can take weeks to get a response, and I'll be straight with you, the chances of getting unbanned are actually pretty low. Most people either never hear back or get a generic rejection. If they do get back to you and say the ban is permanent, stop trying to log into that specific account. Repeatedly trying to force your way back into a disabled account can make things worse for your IP address. If the appeal fails and you're truly stuck, you can try to start over, but you have to be smart about it. You'll need a completely different email address and a different device. If you use the same payment method or the same VPN that got you flagged the first time, you're just going to get banned again immediately. It's a bit of a cat and mouse game, and technically, creating a new account to bypass a ban can violate their terms again. This brings me to the pro tip I promised you. If you're tired of walking on eggshells with the official Claude website, stop using the main interface and switch to a third-party API platform like OpenRouter. These platforms let you pay for exactly what you use and give you access to the full Claude models without the aggressive account-level bans that hit the consumer website. It's the best way to ensure you never lose access to your work again. Email them, be patient, but prepare for the worst and have your backup plan ready. That's the reality of dealing with these AI platforms right now.